Rents are dropping again, and when rents drop, inflation follows. And when inflation comes down, mortgage rates typically follow. So here's what happened today and what it means for you. New rental data came in from Apartment List. Now they only measure new leases, not renewals, but that's almost half the market. And the numbers that came in were huge. Rentals were down for the month 1%, and they're down 1.1% for year over year, which is a huge number. We haven't seen that big of a number in a long time. That makes 4 months in a row of falling rents. And the vacancy level's at 7.2%, which is a record number. More vacancies mean more units sitting open. More units sitting open mean that landlords need to start lowering rent even further, which will help out with the inflation for the future reports. Now, obviously, the inflation reports run behind, but the numbers are going to look better. Now, the inflation reports are a little bit messy because of the government shutdown. The October CPI report was canceled. The November report isn't coming out December 18th, and the PCE report's delayed. But the good news is the big picture will show that the inflation numbers are improving. The next Fed chair has already been picked according to the president. There's 3 candidates who everyone's expecting, wanting to see who it is. My guess, it's going to be Kevin Hassett. Now, why do I say that? Because that's where most of the money is, and that money line is usually right. The good news is that the market's expecting him to take that position now, and the market has responded well, so that's working in our favor. The big news for tomorrow is that we get the ADP jobs report. The expectations are really low, only 10,000 new jobs being added. If that number comes in even weaker, it will really take the pressure off of inflation, which will help push rates even lower. So here's the bottom line. Rents are falling, vacancy is rising, inflation should be cooling. Great recipe to help lower interest rates. If you bought in the last 2 years, reach out to me because we could probably give you a much lower interest rate than you currently have, lower your monthly payment, and if you respond quickly, we could skip the December and January payment for you.